This is Drummer, my long wheelbase, high roof Mark 1 Ford Transit Connect. Oh, and this is Mia, but more on her later. Over the coming weeks, I'll be transforming this 14-year-old panel van into a camper fit for surfing trips and weekends away. The conversion will consist of a number of phases. I'll begin by placing sound deadener directly onto the skin of the van with approximately 25% coverage. Now is also the perfect time to install the skylight and the roof fan. Next, I'll move on to the subfloor. Here, I'm using 25 by 38mm treated wood battens laid out in a grid. The gaps will be filled with 25mm insulation board. I'll cover the battens with foil tape, forming the start of my vapour barrier. I'll run lengths of conduit before insulating the ceiling and walls so that I can wire in my sockets and lighting after the framing is complete. It will be necessary to complete the vapour barrier before putting anything over any of these surfaces. The bulkhead will feature a unique design that allows for both a longer bed and more space in the cab. I'll place a sheet of 12mm marine plywood on top of the subfloor. This in turn will be covered by a roll of vinyl flooring. For the ceiling and walls, I'll opt for 9mm moisture resistant MDF. Since I'll be painting these white, MDF is the perfect choice. The standout feature of the build is this steel framed double bed, which can fold into a sofa or slide out of the way when more space is required. All that's left now is to actually get the van built, so I'll see you next week for more content. Oh, and thanks to everyone that's watched, commented and subscribed so far. It really does mean a lot. Right then, over to you, Mia. Go. Come on. Hello. Can't keep up and keep my glasses on there. Yeah. Right, in you go. In you go, still going.